Imagine sipping wine and savoring hors d'oeuvres while diving deep into the fascinating world of sharks. On September 18th, the Cape Cod Museum of Natural History is gearing up for an exciting event that promises to unveil some intriguing insights about white sharks. The spotlight will be on the esteemed Dr. Greg Skomal, a leading expert in shark research from the Massachusetts Shark Research Program. This lecture isn't just a casual chat. It's an opportunity to learn from someone who has dedicated 16 years to studying great whites along the picturesque shores of Cape Cod. Dr. Skomal's extensive fieldwork has led to the tagging of over 300 sharks, employing state-of-the-art technology to monitor their behavior. His focus revolves around understanding the hunting habits of these apex predators, particularly their interactions with seals, and finding ways to minimize encounters between sharks and humans. This topic is particularly relevant today as it combines environmental conservation efforts with public safety concerns. As the evening unfolds, guests can enjoy a delightful reception at 6 p.m. featuring complimentary wine and light appetizers. The lecture will commence at 6:30 p.m., offering attendees an engaging and informative experience that goes beyond mere statistics. It promises to challenge common perceptions of these often misunderstood creatures. Skomal holds the position of Senior Fisheries Biologist with the Massachusetts Division of Marine Fisheries and is at the helm of the Massachusetts Shark Research Program. His expertise is well regarded, having contributed significantly to scientific literature and making appearances in renowned documentaries aired on National Geographic, Discovery Channel, and PBS. If you're eager to participate in this eye-opening event, tickets are priced at $60 per individual, with all proceeds directed towards supporting the museum's educational initiatives. It's essential to book your spot in advance as reservations are required. Secure your tickets and explore further details on their website at ccmnh.org. For additional inquiries, feel free to contact the museum at 508-896-3867, extension 133. The museum is conveniently situated at 869 Route 3A in Brewster, making it an easy destination for anyone intrigued by marine life. This captivating story was crafted by reporter Beth McDermott, who utilized AI to enhance the reporting. It's important to note that journalistic integrity was upheld throughout the entire process, from gathering information to final editing. For more on our ethical practices, visit cm.usatoday.com/ethical.conduct.